building. Let's do some building. Oh, that's for the IC. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. And then spam them on your HQ. Okay. Wait, I don't have like a... Wait, do I have a 5-minute one? Oh, I do have a 5-minute one. Yay. Okay, we did that. What's this? Floor feels a bit loose here. Yeah, I'm going to lift it up. What? Is this going to be the same thing every time? Why is he so easy? Bless you. I'm sorry. That was a very aggressive sneeze. I hope I didn't give anyone a heart attack. I apologize.